Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I would like to present a brief analysis of the movie Zootopia. This movie is directed by Byron Howard and Rich Moore, and it is not just an entertaining animation but also a story with deep social meaning. Let's start with the plot summary. The story follows Judy Hopps, a small-town rabbit who dreams of becoming a police officer in the big city of Zootopia. Now, this is important because rabbits are usually seen as weak and not suitable for law enforcement. But Judy refused to accept that stereotype. She works hard and eventually becomes the first rabbit police officer. In the city, she meets Nick White, a clever fox who works as a con artist. At first, they don't trust each other, but eventually, they team up to solve a mysterious case. The case involves missing predator animals, and as they investigate, they uncover a bigger conspiracy that causes predators to become savage. In the end, they solve the case, expose the real villain, and restore harmony in Zootopia. Now, let's move to character analysis. First, Nick White. Nick is a complex character shaped by discrimination. As a child, he was excluded and humiliated simply because he is a fox, and this is where we need to think critically. Does society shape behavior, or does behavior shape society? Because in this case, he starts believing what others say about him, that he is untrustworthy. So he becomes exactly that. This is what we call a self-fulfilling prophecy, where labels turn into reality. But then Judy believes in him, and slowly he changes. By the end of the story, he becomes a police officer, showing real character development. Next, Judy Hopps. Judy represents determination and idealism. She comes from a small rural background and faces constant doubt. People think a rabbit cannot be a police officer, but she proved them wrong through hard work and persistence. However, Judy is not perfect. At one point, she makes a mistake during a press conference and unintentionally spreads fear about predators. This is important because it shows that even good people can contribute to prejudice. Her growth happens when she realizes this mistake, takes responsibility, and tries to fix it. Now let's talk about the antagonist, Dawn Bellwether. At first, she seems kind, polite, and supportive, but later, we discover her true intention. She feels underestimated, and instead of changing the system positively, she manipulates fear to gain power. This raises an important question. Can victims of discrimination become perpetrators? And in this case, the answer is yes. Now, let's analyze this movie from different perspectives. First, the sociological approach. From this perspective, Zootopia reflects real-world social issues like discrimination, stereotyping, and systemic bias. The division between predators and prey represents conflict in human society such as race, ethnicity, or social class. Predators are feared not because of what they do, but because of assumptions. And this is exactly how prejudice works. Next, the psychological approach. This movie shows how experience shapes identity. Nick becomes cynical because of childhood trauma, while Judy starts as idealistic but later realizes her own bias. This shows that people are not fixed. They can grow, change and rethink their beliefs. And the last, the moral or didactic approach. The movie teaches us about equality, empathy, and responsibility. It reminds us that good intentions are not enough. We must also understand the impact of our action. So, what is the moral of the story? The main message is we should not judge others based on stereotypes or assumptions because every individual has their own potential. The movie also shows that fear and prejudice can divide society and even be used to manipulate people. But this problem can be overcome through understanding, honesty, and cooperation. So, in conclusion, Zootopia is not just an animated movie, but a reflection of real social issues. It challenges us to think critically about bias, identity, and our role in society. Alright, that's all from me. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and see you.